Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Okay. What I will be discussing this afternoon will be the procedure on how to bring down a microwave oven with this specification. It is over the range. It was a little bit big. Okay. So to bring down this microwave oven here, our microwave oven is already defective. I think the blower motor smoke, so we must have to replace the total microwave oven. This is now a 20-year microwave oven, so we must have to replace it. And to replace it, we must have to bring it down. I brought down already the microwave oven. The support at the front is actually this one here and this one. And at the back end portion, there's a metal bracket here which is screwed on the wall. So to install the microwave oven, we must have to hook the back portion here. Okay, we raise it up, then we'll try to fasten the front portion using two screws, two bolts. First one, second one. The duct portion of this one is actually this one here. This goes out, and the inlet to the suction is actually this one here. Okay. The smoke coming from inside will be sucked here. It will go out here. Okay, I will show you the the inlet of the smoke. That's where the smoke will be coming out. It will go to the duct going outside. Okay. I will try to raise this one. So when you are cooking inside, smoke will be sucked here. There's a blower motor inside, and that blower motor will bring the suck smoke going out here. Okay, then it goes out to the duct which is connected outside. So the smoke coming from the microwave oven goes in here, it will go out. Okay, I will try to remove one, repeat one more time. To remove this microwave oven here, it needs two persons, but I am a little big guy, so I was able to do it. So what I did, guys, is that I loosened this screw here, and so with this one, it's actually connected here. This is where the two front screws goes in. So if we try to remove the two front screws, okay, try to bring down the front portion, okay, then try to unhook the back portion of the microwave oven from here, because it was hooked over here and here, okay, and here and here. It got two hook connections at the back. So that's the one supporting the microwave oven at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We must have to hook it here, 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 and here. So upon tilting down the microwave oven, then you try to raise up a little bit, you could bring out the microwave oven. It was a little bit heavy. I am 180 pounds, and I think the microwave oven is more than 200. So what I did, guys, I put a little table here. So as soon as I unhook the back portion, I put it on top the table to rest my arms. Then when I regain my power, I try to bring it down, and that's the microwave oven. Okay? So this is actually the output of the smoke which is coming in here. So if you are cooking inside, the smoke will be sucked here. The fan motor is operating. It will bring out the smoke here. Okay, it will go to the ducting. That's the ducting. Okay, so that's the way how to bring down a microwave oven which is over a range. And this is rated 1.8 cubic feet, 1000 watts. Just to mention the name, HGE Speciber XL 1800. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how to bring down the microwave oven from its placement the proper way. I will repeat it one more time. You try to remove those two screws here in front. You tilt down the microwave oven. Okay, then you try to unhook it from the back portion, then bring it out. That's it. So I was able to find for a replacement of this one exactly. So this is 30 inches. This is 16 inches and 15 inches going up. When I will try to buy the replacement, the specification for the length, width, and height should be the same. So I could place it back on its original location. And to mention, this is actually a 21-year-old microwave oven. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the microwave oven, which is a 21-year-old. It was removed from its placement by replacing or removing two screws in front. We tilt it down. We unhook the back portion. When we bring down the microwave oven, it was a little bit heavy. I am 180 pounds and I think this is 200 pounds. So just make sure that if you try to bring it down, you could carry it yourself. Okay, so I anticipated that one. I put a little table in atop the oven. So when I was able to unhook the back portion, okay, I raise it on the table. I rest for a while, then bring it down on the floor. That's it. That's the proper way on how to remove a microwave oven which is with the specification over the range. Good morning or good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.